तेरे बिना मैं अधूरा सा हूँ, तेरे संग हर सपना पूरा सा हूँ, तू मिले तो लगे.
Little bird is calling now. Let's go out to play somehow. We will fly in the blue sky high, laughing, smiling, you and I. Pitter patter falls the rain, splashing water once say. Giggle, giggle, sing along. Kitty goes meow in a silly song. Puppy says woof woof, jump so high, dance.
Hi everyone, I'm your friend Syed and welcome back to our channel Tech Hunter. In today's video, we're going to explore an exciting trend, baby AI podcast videos and music video. You've probably seen these funny AI baby videos at least once recently, because they are going viral on platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. And you may be wondering, how can I make videos like this? They look so fun. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to create your own baby AI podcast video and music video. And trust me, it's much easier than you think. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, we need a baby image that we can animate later. For this, I'm using the ChatGPT image generator. I used a prompt like, create a realistic baby version sitting in a podcast studio with microphone and headphones. Within a few moments, AI generated a great image. Then, I downloaded the image. If needed, I adjusted the prompt for better results. You can also use a famous person, or upload your own photo and create your own baby version. Next, I asked ChatGPT, create a funny baby song lyric for 15 to 20 seconds. This gives us a unique idea for the audio. Now we need an audio file. You can either record your own voice or use AI voice tools. I recommend 11 Labs for voice cloning, Suno AI for music and songs. Since I'm making a song, I'm using Suno AI. Open Suno AI. Click Create, copy the lyrics from ChatGPT and paste them. Select a music style. Click Generate. Within a few moments, the song was ready. Then, click the three dots. Choose Edit Arrow Crop. Select 30 seconds. Click Save. Then go to the library and download the audio. Now comes the main part, animation. For this, I'm using cart.ai, completely free. Gives 200 plus credits daily, easy lip sync feature, good animation quality. Sign up on cart.ai, go to the audio section, click lip sync, upload the baby image, upload the audio file, click generate, wait a few moments. Once the video is ready, download it. Now create separate 30-second clips using different parts of the song. For example, first to 30 seconds equals clip 1, next 30 seconds equals clip 2, final 30 seconds equals clip 3. I already created 3 clips. Now we'll combine them in Filmora. First, open Wondershare Filmora, then create a new project. Save the project first. Now go to the media section, click import. Select the 3 clips you created, then click open. All clips will appear in the media library. Now drag the clips one by one onto the timeline. Arrange them in order. Clip 1 first, clip 2 seconds, clip 3 third. This creates the full music video. Now go to the transition section. Choose any transition you like and place it between the clips. Examples: fade, zoom, slide, blur. This makes the video smoother and more professional. Now I added a music wave effect. This gives the video a modern and stylish music visualizer look. You can customize color, size, position. Now play the full video once. Check clip timing, transitions, music sync, effects, overall quality. Make small adjustments if needed. Once everything looks perfect, click export. Choose MP4 format, best quality, save location on your computer, then click export again. Your final video will be saved. That's how you can easily create a baby AI podcast, viral video, and music video. This trend is growing fast right now, and if you start early, you have a great chance to get views. You only need 3 things: good audio, realistic baby image, animation tool. With AI, you can not only go viral, but also create content that can earn money online. If you want to learn more about AI content creation, subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment below, share with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.